Do you know that about 284 million people suffer from anxiety disorders, while 264 million people suffer from depressive disorders worldwide? Anxiety and depression are two of the most common mental health conditions that affect people around the world. These conditions can lead to more serious problems if left untreated. That is why it is important to manage anxiety and depression timely. Before you look for strategies to cope with anxiety and depression, it is important to understand these conditions. What is anxiety and depression? Anxiety refers to a feeling of persistent worry, fear or nervousness. It may manifest in a number of ways like panic disorder, anxiety disorder, phobias and social anxiety disorder. Depression refers to a mood disorder which is characterized by feelings of hopelessness and sadness which is persistent. Causes of anxiety and depression. A number of factors may lead to anxiety and depression. Common causes may include trauma, stress, medical conditions, substance use, personality traits, genetics, stressful life events, substance used, medication side effects. Symptoms of anxiety and depression. The symptoms of anxiety and depression may vary from person to person. Some common symptoms may include persistent feelings of worry or fear, difficulty concentrating, sleep disturbances, feelings of hopelessness, excessive sleeping, fatigue, isolation, changes in appetite, headaches or stomach problems, loss of interest in life. Tips to manage anxiety and depression. While you may find it next to impossible to manage anxiety and depression, there are a number of strategies that can help. Care for yourself in the present times of chaos. All seem to be running out of time. That is why most people fail to give themselves the time and care they deserve. You should care for yourself and look after your physical and emotional needs, as it will help you manage anxiety and depression to a considerable extent. You should exercise regularly, eat healthy, sleep well and relax. Indulge in things that you love to do, as it will bring you joy and help distract your mind. Think positive. Negative thoughts can enhance anxiety and depression. Only by training your mind to think positively you can manage your mental problems to a great extent. You need to look at the brighter side and reinforce positive thinking. Try to practice positive self-talk and focus on gratitude. This way you can reduce negative thought patterns and make a habit of cultivating a more positive approach. Meditation. Meditation is considered as one of the best effective and powerful strategies for managing anxiety and depression. Mindfulness meditation allows you to stop thinking and focus on the present moment. This way your mind gets to reduce stress and feel calmer and more relaxed. Socialize. Many people tend to withdraw from people as they suffer from depression or anxiety. However, it is important to note that socializing can help reduce anxiety and depression. You should try to get in touch with family, friends and others that may make you feel good. Hanging out with people and talking to those who care about you will help you feel better. Talk your heart out, as it is a powerful strategy to vent out your suppressed emotions and cope with anxiety and depression effectively. Do what you love. We often ignore what we want to do and focus what should be done. While it is important to be practical in real life, you must not completely ignore your passions and things that bring you joy. For example, reading or listening to music may not help you make money, they would help you rejuvenate your mind and soul. Likewise, whatever you love to do can help you elevate your mood and cope with anxiety and depression. Exercise regularly. If you are one of those who feel too lazy to exercise, you must know that exercise can play a great role in managing anxiety and depression. Regular exercise can help to improve your mood, as it helps release your body's feel-good chemicals. It also allows you to stop thinking negative stuff. As a result, you will be able to manage the symptoms of anxiety and depression in a better way. Seek professional help. While it is possible to manage anxiety and depression on your own, seeking professional help can make things easier. A professional therapist or counselor can help you determine the causes of your mental problem and provide the best treatment and strategies. He or she can guide you depending on your condition and its severity. Thus you will be able to manage the symptoms in the best possible way. Sleep well. A healthy individual needs 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. If you have anxiety or depression, sleeping well can help you manage these conditions. A good night's sleep helps your mind to relax. It also allows your body to rest and be in a better state to manage the symptoms of anxiety and depression in a better way. Take charge of your life. The above-mentioned strategies can help you cope with anxiety and depression. As it all starts with your mind, you should start by thinking positive and reinforce that these conditions are treatable and gain control of your life. Practicing self-care and following these strategies will help you manage the symptoms of anxiety and depression. Professional help can also allow you to manage these conditions and improve things for yourself and those around you.